Today is the day that we convince Craig to go to the swap meet. We're gonna fucking try our hardest, dude, to convince him. Sunday's keen, and he's in the fucking van with us. We're gonna go to the fucking swap meet, all of us, and we're gonna slash prices, baby. We're gonna fucking slash prices. It gets weird. There are weird fucking people out there. Let's see. I gotta get this broken bolt out of this cover. Snap the bolt off. I'm gonna weld a nut to it. Bam. And then try to turn it out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see if we nailed it. Paul, I might have nailed it. Nope. Fucker. Well, let's try it again. Riveting content. A little stack of balls. Let's weld a nut to it. Nope. Fuck. You son of a bitch. Who knows when that bolt was put? It could have been put in fucking 25 years ago. And it's stuffed in there and broken off. So it might take a few tries because when the aluminum heats up, it'll expand and the steel will shrink a little bit and it'll actually be a little easier to back out. I'm gonna try stacking it again and then weld a nut to it.
Yeah, might work.
That might be the move. Back to it. Back to the drawing board. We don't even need Craig. What's up? You're going to the fucking swap meet, Craig, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna have a good time. You son of a bitch! That fucker is in there.
Probably just bottomed hard.
It's fucking definitely in there.
Let's go. You don't want to be on camera? You want to be in here? Holler if you need me. Put him in front of a screen, and he's good for years. Parenting 101. Ignore them. Neglect, all that fun stuff. I picked him up from his real dad's. That was weird. It was so weird.
You know, man, I side with the other dad, dude.
He did not like the camera at all.
I believe it. He was like, you think he's gonna be cool with that? I'm like, no, don't eat that.
Yeah, I bought this for you, but I don't know you.
Do you want? I have chili. You want some chili?
Kinda.
All right, let's do that.
My voice just sucks.
Your voice is terrible. My voice is like a fucking songbird. I'm not
This
loud.
is not a Broadway play.
I'm not
okay?
loud.
You don't have to project your voice.
Hey, bro. Yeah, you do. Okay?
You?
Yeah.
To who?
Yeah, you do.
To me?
To the world?
I've heard enough of
To
your
the
voice.
world.
I've heard enough
All
of
right?
your voice.
You're not getting any more fucking chili now. Paul, you want some chili? Here, Craig, this is the bowl you get. Craig, you're going to the swap meet.
No, I'm not.
All right, we're slashing prices.
I don't do that peasant shit.
We're
all right?
slashing
That's slaying
prices.
Their peasant fucking parts.
Don't talk bad about the
Yeah.
swap meet, okay? I'm breaking Harry in. He's going to his first one. You're coming with.
This is peasant.
We're slashing prices, okay? What's up? How much do you want for that phone? $1,000 bucks? $250. Boom! Slashing prices.
Whose is this?
Roy's. That's Roy's primary cover.
Perfect.
I think it would be a nice thing to do, okay? We talk about the swap meet now.
It has nothing to
and
do
then we
with...
go to the swap
It has
meet
nothing-
later. You can see
I have
all...
prior obligations.
And those obligations can be changed.
Most can.
Your taxes aren't important.
I don't pay them.
If you don't pay them, they go away.
You would know.
I would, and they don't. They don't go away. They're always there. What time do you have to be at the tax thing? You don't even know.
I have no idea.
I will pick you and Harry up like the bus stop in front of your house. Like the Bat Bus in Brockton, I'm gonna pull up and I'm gonna slide the door open. There's gonna be chickens and all sorts of fucking stuff in there to hang out with.
Live chickens?
Like live chickens. That's what the Bat Bus is like in Brockton.
If that's what the swap meet is like, I don't want to go.
Listen, I met this dude at Ole that's going to Stafford, and that man definitely lives out of his car. It is packed to the tits with garbage. He had a dive helmet. You will be at Craig's house at 4:30 in the morning, and Craig will be awake too, and you'll be in my van. Because I eventually will graduate to being that guy that lives in his car selling the dive helmet.
Who made this chili?
Courtney. I drive an hour to Worcester to eat big spoon. Look at this thing.
It's cold.
Is it? It's fine.
It's cold. This is good though.
Even semi-cold chili is good.
It's just cold.
Semi. You know what we do with these spoons after we're done with them? You wipe them on your clothes, and you put them back in the shelf. I'm battling this bolt again. Damn, it nuked. That one fucking nuked.
You're doing it wrong.
It nuked. Oh,
Got it?
I think I got it. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Bye. All right, what's next? Hey, should we put this into a roller? Yo, we use the 4-cup installers.
Yeah,
we have new tools. We have new tools.
Yeah. Right here. It installs neck cups into frames.
If you don't know what a neck cup is, you're looking for a cooking channel, okay? You're looking how to roast hot roast, not motorcycles. You've stumbled across the wrong channel. But we are the #1 channel on YouTube that has motorcycles involved, and that's a fact. This pin here, the weld on it broke from the company that we got it from, so I'm rewelding it.
Nice.
Blam. Oh, it burnt my hand so bad.
This guy is a fucking wizard.
All right, engage fork cup installer.
Nice.
Does that come with directions?
You need directions?
I don't, but I just didn't know if it did.
It doesn't.
Okay, good. That's good. Nice. Yep, that makes sense. That's where I would put it. I mean, we might have to do some adjusting. I'll get it lined up.
And I'll do the spinning.
Wow, that is cool. Oh my god, it's so much cooler than the other way we've been doing it, which is smash them with a hammer. I think it's close.
I don't think it's close.
I think it's pretty goddamn close.
I can see that it's not.
You can?
Yeah. I have glasses, you don't. This is
Wow.
so satisfying.
This is fucking cool. I think they're in, dude. Looks like it to me. Oh, what a joyous occasion. You just saw the 4-cup installer install 4 cups. Fast Eddie Co. on Instagram. What is it?
www.fasteddyco.com.
There we go. Oh, you got this. We're gonna do a first try. You're on.
Wow.
We did it, guys, together.
What's next?
The front end. We gotta pack some bearings. Yeah, I'll do it. I got it. Let me glove up. Get the bearings out. Let me glove up. The doctor has arrived. Oh, holy fucking shit.
Could have been bad, but it wasn't.
All right, let's pack some bearings. You take the grease. Ooh, this is new grease. Brand new grease, brand new bearings. This is what it's all about. Take a nice glob of it. You put it in the palm of your hand, right? I've done this without gloves. That's what real men do. You just start packing.
Terrible form.
This grease smells funny. Bearings are packed. Gotta take the paint off all the mating surfaces. Josh talking to the boy. What are you doing, dude?
How's Roblox?
He's not playing Roblox, he's playing Lifter or something.
That's on Roblox, bro.
Oh,
You
it
don't
is?
even know
Yeah.
what it is about.
I'm in the way.
You're gonna
I'm in the
become
way of your narrow passage.
That's it, dude. There's a lot of narrow passages back here. You gotta be a narrow guy.
How do you get around it?
Huh?
Huh?
What, dude? I lost all that water weight.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, my weight loss journey. What about my weight
Is
loss
that what
journey?
you're filming?
Yeah.
Your weight loss journey? John, you're like a YouTube star, huh?
Yeah, dude.
That's cool.
Yeah, man. You're like an Instagram guy.
Me?
Yeah.
No.
You're on Instagram.
Am I?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I'm surprised it doesn't ask you if John's a child in the video.
It does. It emails me every day.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like,
No, they're like, that child has a massive IQ.
yeah.
For a child,
That's how
though.
I respond.
Yeah, right.
For
For a
a
child.
child.
That child has an unbelievable IQ for a child. He's a grown man in a child's body. A child's awesome body.
I
Okay?
don't know where you're going with that, but it's not good. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna bring this kid with me.
Bring him home. Go down. Go back.
Go back.
Oh, holy shit.
Wow.
Oh, I need the dust cover. I need all the other stuff.
Dude, you fucked up.
No, we're okay. We're okay. Thank you. Get out of here. You gonna get a socket for it?
You can get me one.
Okay.
Harlan, what does a ratchet do?
What is a ratchet woman? Teaching the youth.
Thanks.
Cool Uncle John is here. This thing fucking sucks. Throw the fucking. Give me the adjustable. Can we swear in front of him?
Probably shouldn't, dude. That's not.
That's not chill. That might be the basest thing you can do is swear in front of a child.
Okay.
Nope. This.
This one first. Yep.
We're learning every day. We've only done 20 of these runs.
Take that out. Let me see what's going on there. The thing yet.
When will the video
The
end?
video never ends. The video is
Thank you.
forever. Eternal.
Okay. So now you need a spacer that thick.
For under here.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
A bit more.
Yeah. Bro.
If he's anything like his dog.
I'll freak out.
By the time this video comes out, up on the web store, www.theeasyco.com/shop. Kicker pedals. You've seen these before probably if you follow us. Does anyone have any weed? How does this work?
You can do that on your bike. You can kick your bike. You can fire it up with your drugs. That's right. There you go. Shut your mouth with love. All right, I'll take this top tier out myself.
Oh, is that supposed to help you? Why are you always so cold and distant? I want you to be warm and happy.
Warm and fuzzy?
And fun, like you used to be. Something happened to you. Yeah, ever since the accident, John has not been the same.
Don't talk about the accident, dude.
This video's been going on for 3 hours.
Yeah, it's called a movie. We're gonna sign off.
I think this is where we sign off.
This is where we sign off.
Yes.
Listen, Brad Pitt subscribes to our channel. Be like Brad Pitt and subscribe to the #1 YouTube channel on YouTube that has motorcycles related to it. Don't check the facts. Like and subscribe, baby.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.